What happens when things go wrong in a hospital? Patients are impacted. Can doctors become detectives? Does this happen in a medical thriller? Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sanchita. I create videos on books. Today I have Fatal Cure by Robin Cook. He is an American physician and novelist who writes primarily on medicine. This is a medical thriller published in 1993. The central characters are a married couple, David and Angela Wilson. Both are associated with medicine. They want to move to a smaller city to escape the hardships of large cities. Their wishes are granted when they get job offers in a large hospital situated in a small town, Bartlett. Their transfer to the small town happens pretty smoothly, although they end up with a lot of loans. Initially, things are fine, but a few months later, things start going downhill. Patients start dying due to unexpected reasons. The couple can't tolerate their plight and decide to dig further. This leads to a series of events which not only make their lives difficult but also put them in danger. Will they be able to solve the mystery of unexpected deaths? Will they be able to help the patients? Will they be able to survive the danger? You can only find out by reading this book. There are times when we end up in toxic situations. It could be at work or a relationship. We try to maintain peace. But the more we tolerate, the worse the situation becomes. As a result, we start doubting ourselves. David also ends up in a similar situation. Have you faced it? I think we should try to speak to someone in this kind of situation. Maybe someone who can view the entire thing from a third person's perspective, who can give us some rational advice. No matter what, it should not continue, otherwise, it will impact us both physically as well as mentally. We should stand up. You never know what you will gain. If not anything, at least it will be freedom and mental peace. What do you think? Let me know in comments. This book has around 457 pages and the fonts are a little small. The characters have been drawn very nicely. The interactions between the different characters are very realistic. You get to know about different specializations in medicine. The description of the misery of a doctor when they are not able to cure or help patients has been done so nicely that you can almost feel the pain. The initial part of the book is slow, but after a certain number of pages, it gains momentum, and once that happens, you cannot give up this novel. I would recommend reading this if you are above 18. Also, try to have a lot of time because, as I mentioned, there are a lot of pages. Overall, this is a good book to read, so you can add it to your TBR if you have not read it. If you have already read it, do let me know in comments how you felt after reading it. For more such reviews, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.